Welcome to the world novelty. The absolute product novelty from KOSTAL, which I'm allowed to reveal here, is its own wall box, which with KOSTAL now closes the circle between energy generation and energy charging. Given the company's many years of experience in the automotive sector, this was a logical step and I can now lift the curtain. Drum roll, that's it! The Wallbox ENECTOR AC 3.711 from KOSTAL. I have to say, beautiful and at the same time practical design. Just plug in and charge. Wired ready for connection. Can also be installed outdoors thanks to protection class IP54, including a 7.5 meter long cable. The special and unique item, there are optional comfort functions that can be activated with activation code. For example, the wallbox can be controlled via the app. Monitoring takes place with the KOSTAL Solar app and you can choose between different charging modes. It will go on sale at the end of the year, so make sure you get the right amount for your customers right away. I'm looking forward to presenting the ENECTOR to you in detail. The same applies here. Stay on the plus of times with the ENECTOR.